In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move or copy a table to another base on Airtable easily. Whether you are organizing data for a project or simply trying to streamline your workflow, following these steps will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the Airtable website. Once there, look for the Sign In button and click on it. If you haven't signed in already, you'll need to enter your account information. Simply follow the prompts to sign into your Airtable account. If prompted with a continue button after entering your credentials, make sure to click that as well. After successfully logging in, find and click on the Airtable logo, or return to your main Airtable interface to ensure you're working from the correct space. This will usually present you with a dashboard of your bases and recent activities. Once there, click on the base where the table you want to move is located. Now navigate to the table you'd like to copy. From the table menu at the top, locate and select Payments. You're looking to highlight or select the table you wish to export. With the table selected, you will see an option to download a CSV of your data. Click on this Download CSV option to export your table's data into a file format that is conducive for transferring or sharing. Save the CSV file to a secure location on your computer. Now turn your attention to the base where you want to move this table. In this base, look for an option resembling a plus sign or labelled Add field. This will allow you to bring over the exported data. Click on this plus sign or button and then select CSV file when you're prompted, indicating that you intend to import data from the CSV file you just downloaded. Then hit Browse Files and find your saved CSV file on your computer. Choose Upload One File to confirm the selection and upload your content. You'll be asked to create a new table or select an existing table as the destination for this imported data. Choose an appropriate option that fits your needs. Once everything is set up and the imported data is allocated to the correct table, click on Next. This step will ensure everything is in place as per your requirements. Finally, hit Import to complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully moved or copied a table to another base on Airtable. It's a quick and efficient way to manage and distribute your data across different organizational elements. Thank you for watching, and for more tips like this one, make sure to check out our other videos.